Instead, get yourself an affordable spark plug socket and do it yourself in your garage or driveway. There are many products available to choose spark plug sockets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best spark plug sockets from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GARWRENCH 3/8 Drive 6PT 5/8x6 Magnetic Swivel Spark Plug Socket. Designed to make changing your spark plugs as easy as possible is GARWRENCH's Magnetic Swivel Spark Plug Socket. This is a 5/8 inches spark plug socket measuring 6 inches with a 3/8 inches drive and features an all-in-one extension and universal joint to provide 360-degree swivel action. Helping provide a non-slip surface for low-torque applications is a knurled grip on the shaft of the tool. Like other spark plug sockets on our list, GARWRENCH's popular tool features a magnet inside the socket, which assists in retaining and protecting the spark plug for easier installation. In addition, it doesn't wear out over time like a traditional rubber gasket found in other spark plug sockets. Number 2. Powerbuilt 3/8-inch drive spark plug socket set. Work on a variety of engines and need a set of spark plug sockets of varying sizes. Powerbuilt has an affordable 5-piece set that includes 5/8 inches, 3/4 inches, 13/16 inches, 14 mm, and 18 mm spark plug sockets. These 6-point deep spark plug sockets are thin wall and manufactured from chrome vanadium, with a mirror polished finish and dual grease rings. Inside each socket is a rubber retaining ring to securely hold the spark plug. Powerbuilt spark plug sockets meet or exceed ANSI standards and come with a lifetime warranty. Number 3. Aries 3/8 inches Drive by 5/8 inches Magnetic Swivel Spark Plug Socket. Aries offers quite a few spark plug sockets, depending on the size you need. This particular one is a 5/8 inches magnetic socket with a 10 inches swivel extension and 3/8 inches drive, constructed from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a chrome plating finish. It features 360-degree swivel action for maximum flexibility, along with an interior magnet to retain and protect the spark plug. A knurled grip on the shaft helps give you a tight grip when needed. Aries backs its spark plug sockets with a limited lifetime warranty. Make sure to check out the rest of the company's spark plug sockets if you need a size other than 5/8 inches. Number 4. GARWRENCH 3PC. Available as a 5/8 inches or 9/16 inches socket is LEXIVON's Swivel Magnetic Spark Plug Socket. It's one of the more affordable magnetic sockets on our list, featuring a smooth 360-degree ball swivel with a thin wall design. It measures 6 inches in total length with a 3/8 inches drive and is constructed from hardened and heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a fully polished, chrome-plated mirror finish. A knurled shaft helps prevent slipping, while you can easily identify the size with its laser-etched markings. LEXIVON spark plug sockets meet and exceed ANSI standards and are backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Number 5. LEXIVON 5/8 Swivel Magnetic Spark Plug Socket. If you work on a variety of different engines but know you need a 5/8 inches spark plug socket, take a look at this spark plug service kit from Apex Tool Group. This long-reach swivel spark plug set includes 4 inches, 6 inches, and 11 inches lengths with magnetic cores on each size. All 3 lengths are 5/8 inches spark plug sockets, allowing you to take on different situations with ease. The 6 inches and 11 inches tools feature knurled shafts to provide better grip if necessary. This kit comes with a handy blow mold case for storage, and Apex Tool Group provides a lifetime warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.